All right, let's break down your mission briefing for the Web Hacking Launchpad. Let's dive right in. So you want to be a web hacker? This is your guide to a pretty intense challenge. Let's get you ready.
First off, what even is the WHL? It's a challenge designed to seriously sharpen your real-world hacking skills. Your target is an app called Threads app. Think social media, with posting, users, and some hidden admin features.
Now this is a true black box scenario. That means you're going in totally blind like a real-world attacker. And you don't have to set anything up. The entire lab deploys automatically for you in the cloud. Easy.
You've got a web app, back-end APIs, and even some hidden administrative features you'll need to find.
So what's the game plan? It all starts with the right mindset. You've got to think like the attacker.
Now, follow the methodology. Don't just fire up scanners. First, understand how the app is supposed to work.
This map lays it all out for you. It's your path from just browsing to finding those high-impact vulns.
And here's the fun part. Your mission is to hunt for bugs like these, from XSS to RCE.
So what do you need to succeed? Solid web fundamentals, bug discovery skills, and knowing your way around tools.
Speaking of tools, you'll definitely want to be comfortable with these. They're pretty much essential for this kind of work.
Okay, let's talk rules of engagement. You've got 10 challenges and a maximum of 3 lab resets.
So how are you graded? Well, a whopping 80% is purely based on your technical execution. Can you do it?
The other 20%? That's all about your reporting, clear screenshots, and showing some creative, out-of-the-box thinking.
And this is crucial. You absolutely need to pay attention to the do's and don'ts. Stick to the rules.
So bottom line, explore, test, document. The real goal here isn't just points. It's about sharpening your mind.
All right, that's your mission briefing. You know the what, where, and how. So, are you ready to launch?